In this video, we're going to review how to write the slope-intercept form when given 2 points. First of all, slope-intercept is our y equals mx plus b equation, where the parts that I need to know, I need to find my slope, and then I need to find my y-intercept, my b value. So we're going to start with finding our slope. So on my first example, I'm going to think my slope is equal to, I'm going to call these my first x and y, and these my second x and y. So I'm going to go second y, take away first y, which is 2. And now I'm going to go second x, take away first x, which is negative 3. So on top, I get 3 minus 2 is 1. On bottom, negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So my slope is 1 over 1, or 1. So now I know my slope is 1. I also happen to know 2 possible values for my y and x because I was given 2 ordered pairs. So since I know a y, I know a slope, and I know an x, I can use that information to find my y-intercept. I'm going to go ahead and choose the first ordered pair. Doesn't matter which one you choose, you just have to make a commitment. And I'm going to pull that y and x out of there. So in y equals mx plus b, the y value is going to become the 2. Now I say that is equal to, I know my slope is 1, and the slope gets multiplied onto the x, which from the order pair I chose is negative 3. And I've got to figure out what b is. So I've just got to solve this equation, and then I'll know my y-intercept. I get 2 is equal to negative 3 plus b. Now I need to isolate b by adding 3 to both sides, and I can see that b is equal to 5. So now I can write the equation. The equation is y is equal to, the slope is 1, so 1x, and my y-intercept is positive 5. That's acceptable, or I could go ahead and just say y is equal to positive x plus the 5. Either form is correct. Let's look at the second example. I'm going to repeat the process, working with y equals mx plus b. I'm going to start with the slope, and I'm going to make these my first and these my second. So I'm going to go second y, take away the first y, which is 5. Now I'm going to go second x, take away the first x, which is 4. So that simplifies down to, I'm going to drop below, negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. On bottom, 5 minus 4 is 1. So my slope is just negative 9. Now again, I'm going to choose from the top which order pair to use. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose the first one this time based on the fact both numbers are positive. I'm going to avoid using negatives if I can. All right, so I'm going to plug into y equals mx plus b using that first order pair. The y is a 5. I'm going to make that equal to, now I need my slope, which I know is negative 9, and that's multiplied onto, now I need my x, which is 4. And I'm trying to find the b value, so I just write the plus b. All right, now I'm going to solve this equation. I know 5 is equal to negative 9 times the 4 would be negative 36 plus b. Cancel out that 36 with a positive 36. That goes away, and now I can see that my y-intercept, my b value, is, I wrote 35 instead of 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. So now the equation's going to be y is equal to, my slope was negative 9. Now I need my x, and then my y-intercept is positive 41.